Understanding Ichimoku through NeoTrader. Okay. Now we are going to understand Ichimoku through NeoTrader. क्योंकि इचिमोको में 5 लाइन है। सबके पास शॉर्टेज क्या है? आप सबके पास शॉर्टेज क्या है? आप सबके पास शॉर्टेज क्या है? एब्सोल्युटली राइट। सम ऑफ यू आर सेइंग मनी, बट आई वुड से यू हैव गॉट शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम। राइट, यू हैव गॉट शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम। आपको कम समय में इचिमोकू के, यस नॉलेज ऑफ कोर्स इज देयर फ्रेंड्स, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम नॉलेज you want to do ichimoku, but you are having, you like ichimoku, but you have to see so many charts, you have to understand so many charts, and then finally you have to also trade with those charts. That becomes a problem, right? Now, what we have done is we have simplified those lines. Okay, we have simplified those lines by creating the Ichimoku dashboard. So we'll see how to use the dashboard. All right, but first try and understand what does the dashboard consist of. So this is the Ichimoku dashboard. Okay, this is the Ichimoku dashboard. और ये इचिमोकू डैशबोर्ड जो है, ओके, इचिमोकू डैशबोर्ड जो है, ये आपको बताता है कि मार्केट में हो क्या रहा है, स्टॉक्स में हो क्या रहा है, थ्रू द लेंस ऑफ इचिमोकू। ओके, थ्रू द लेंस ऑफ इचिमोकू आपको बता रहा है कि मार्केट में हो क्या रहा है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट थ्रू द लेंस ऑफ इचिमोकू। क्लियर? तो लेट अस रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड इट स्टेप बाय स्टेप। तो यहाँ पर क्या है? यहाँ पर तो आपको अलग अलग चार्ट पे, अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कि मान लीजिए कि 30 मिनट का चार्ट है, 60 मिनट का चार्ट है, डेली का चार्ट है, वीकली का चार्ट है, तो 4 टाइप के टाइम फ्रेम है। और 4 टाइप के टाइम फ्रेम में इचिमोको के बेसिस पे आपको बताना है कि सिचुएशन क्या है। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि कितना समय लगेगा? आपको क्या लगता है कि कितना समय लगेगा? If you have to do it on your own manually, if you have to do manually, finding out 30 minutes, 60 minutes, daily, weekly, some of you are saying infinite, some of you are saying can't say, not less than 30 minutes. I would say that if you have to do it manually, it will take you not less than 4 hours to even complete 30 and 60 minutes. Okay, I'm talking only about the FNO basket. Right. Now, what is the advantage of technology? The advantage of technology is that you can scan across all time frames. You can get what is happening as per the Ichimoku, and it can give you complete clarity. So, in NeoTrader, we have got the most exhaustive Ichimoku dashboard in the world. कहीं पर भी इतना एग्जॉस्टिव इचिमुकू का डैशबोर्ड है ही नहीं। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमने इचिमुकू को इतने डिटेल में एनालिसिस किया है कि और कोई सॉफ्टवेयर में आपको मिलेगा ही नहीं। बताता हूँ कैसे। पहले तो ये आपको बताएगा कि सिग्नल क्या है, व्हाट इज द सिग्नल। ओके, व्हाट इज द सिग्नल? सो आई विल कम टू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिग्नल एंड फिल्टर। व्हाट इज द सिग्नल? सिग्नल इज वेयर you are identifying it as a bullish candidate. So you have got bullish, you have got bearish, where a bearish signal is an indication that price is likely to decrease. So ये आपके सामने आ गया। ओके, ये आपके सामने आ गया और ये आपको बता रहा है कि yes, the prices are likely to decrease. Now in the same way you have got filter. So filter is the current status. Okay, filter is the current status of Ichimoku. कि ये आपको कह रहा है कि बुलिश सिग्नल है, तो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग यू हैव गॉट बुलिश फिल्टर। ओके, यू उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग यू हैव गॉट बुलिश फिल्टर। बुलिश फिल्टर का मतलब क्या है? कि बुलिश फिल्टर का मतलब ये है कि यहां पर जो स्टॉक्स आए, ओके, यहाँ पर जो स्टॉक्स आए विच इज सेइंग कि ये स्टॉक्स बुलिश है, तो these are the stocks that are bullish. Are they still bullish? That will come from the bullish filter. Then the same way, if the stocks are bearish, then this will say, are the stocks still bearish? Then based on the certain Ichimoku parameters, there are certain general filters. तो इचिमोको के हर एक इचिमोको इज जस्ट लाइक अ ड्राइंग, एक रंगोली की तरह है। तो उसके बेसिस पे क्या डिजाइन बना है, लाइंस कैसे मूव हो रहे हैं, वो सारे चीज यहाँ पर कवर होते हैं, वो सारे चीज यहाँ पर कवर होते हैं। सो यू कैन सी हियर दैट दीज आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ इचिमोकू दैट हैव बीन ब्रोकन डाउन and then made available to you so that you can decide. Now, for your decision making or for your confirmation, there are also scores available. हमने यहाँ पर scores allocate किया है based on the इचिमोकू मूवमेंट। तो इचिमोकू के बेसिस पे जो आप देख रहे हैं कि इचिमोकू से प्राइस अगर मूव हो रहा है, तो आफ्टर ट्रिगरिंग सम बाय अपॉर्चुनिटी इन इचिमोकू और सम सेल अपॉर्चुनिटी इन इचिमोकू, देर आर स्कोर्स दैट आर डेवलप्ड internally and made available to you. So this page of Ichimoku is very, very comprehensive. And what it does is it gives you a very good idea about all the set of stocks which you want to select. You can have your own watch list also. You can do on the entire NSE 500 universe which is there. So now what I'll do is I will go into NeoTrader, but before that, did you all understand what this page is doing? Can you type WM on the chat, guys? First is the signal which says that it is whether it is bullish or bearish, or bullish hai, right? There are some stocks that are bullish but they don't move every day. तो उसका स्टेटस चेक करने के लिए आपके पास फिल्टर्स है, दिस आर जनरल फिल्टर्स ऑफ इचिमोकू, एंड देर आर स्कोर्स दैट आर डेवलप्ड दैट टेल यू कि कितना स्ट्रांग है। अगर कोई स्टॉक बहुत दिन से बढ़ रहा है तो उसका स्कोर बढ़ते जाएगा, ओके, उसका स्कोर बढ़ते जाएगा। तो अगर आपको उस स्टॉक को लेना है या बेचना है, सो देन यू हैव टू डिसाइड। व्हाट डू यू हैव टू डिसाइड? यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि इतने बढ़ने के बाद क्या इसे मैं लूं या नहीं। समझ में आ रहा है आपको? तो यू विल सी कि वेदर शुड आई बाई और नो, because it is not worth buying a stock after it has gone up quite a bit, right? So you will see now when it goes up quite a bit, then it comes into the overbought zone। अगर बहुत नीचे गिर गया तो ओवरसोल्ड जोन में जाएगा। तो ये सब चीजें एड्रेस करने के लिए हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे, बट देन these are all the things that are available here. So now let me get into now neo trader here, and let us see how we can address it. Okay, so I am now going to go into neo trader, right? So let me now go inside here. Okay, and let me sign in. So once I sign in here, so in my neo trader I have got the Ichimoku dashboard. Okay, I got the Ichimoku dashboard here. So you can see here in the Ichimoku dashboard, I have got all the time frames. Can you all see here? All the time frames are available here: 30, 60, daily, weekly. So once again, can you all tell me what does the signal mean? Spot quiz. What does the signal mean? Very good. Correct. So signal means that no, it is not the current status of the trend. Current status of the trend is from here, the filters. Okay. So now here, if I say the CS crosses the cloud. So once I click on this, from the Nifty FNO basket, I get all these names. Just at the click of the button, just at the click of the button, I am able to get the stock. It can be any set of stocks. It can be any set of stocks. It can be any set of stocks. 30 है, 60 है, डेली है, ये सारा आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर मैंने क्लिक किया सी एस क्रॉसेस क्लाउड, तो यहाँ पर ये आ गया. नाउ दीज आर द स्टॉक्स दैट आर showing bullishness. Now I want to find out is the close above the cloud. Okay, so let us see, are those names there? Yes, these names are there. Okay, now I'll just reduce the screen size a little bit. We'll keep both of them here. Now I will find out whether the TS and KS are both are above the cloud. Okay, now if I go here, you see here when I say ask whether the TS and the KS are both above the cloud, the option reduces. Can you see here? I remove this, option increases. Now Jubilant Food is there, but when I click on this, it filters out only one trade here. How many of you understood this? Can you type again? Yes, friends, can you confirm? You have to go to the Ichimoku dashboard. Got it? You have to go here, go to the start here, and go to analyst zone and go to Ichimoku dashboard. In the Ichimoku dashboard, what I did, I said, show me what are the stocks that are bullish. So from there, I have selected many options are there. Okay, Ichimoku, many options are there. We have chosen one way. What is that? CS crosses the cloud. Okay, CS crosses the cloud. Now, based on that, I am selecting the list of stock comes. Now, from the list of stocks, I want to find out where the TS and KS are above the cloud. Okay, where the TS and KS are above the cloud. So, if both are above the cloud means it is bullish. So, it is happening in Jubilant Food. Got it? Can you type WM on the chat, guys? So, what we have done is we have simplified. You don't have to look at anything. You just have to come to this page and then you have to just look at all of this. So, now, for example, if I remove this option, all right, and I say future cloud bullish. So, when I say future cloud bullish, you can see here there are three elements here. Understanding? So depending on any time frame you choose, it will work. So now coming to the time frame, when you do 30 minutes, it is suitable for intraday. And when you want to do multi-day, it is ideal for go for 30 and 60 minutes. And then if you want to go higher time frame, then you can go for daily and weekly. Clear? Clear everyone? Yes, if you open your trading view, there are non-Japanese names also. These are all proprietary filters which we have coded into NeoTrader, and that's how you will be able to simplify your process. So based on this, right, like for example, now I have removed this. So here, from here, if I just want to see all the bullish stocks, I just select bullish here, and then नीचे सारे bullish stocks आ जाएंगे. नीचे सारे bullish stocks आ जाएंगे. This is the time frame of the chart, and this is the scoring. So now if I just say bullish score. So I will get all the bullish score here. So I just click on this bullish score. I will be able to sort the bullish score. Okay. I will be able to sort the bullish score here, and you can see here that these are all the scores that are visible. Now you will see here, okay, the scores that are high, like for example, 91 on daily, 91 on weekly. So now these are reaching overbought zone. Okay, these stocks are reaching overbought zone. So when it is reaching an overbought zone, I have to be a little careful here. Is everyone with me? Can you type WM on the chat, guys? Is everyone with me? These are reaching overbought zone, यानी बहुत इसको खरीदा जा रहा है. तो अब जाकर नए पोजीशन बिल्ड करने के लिए थोड़ा डेंजर है. गॉट इट? इन द सेम वे, if you just reverse this, so the lowest bull score is 70. Okay, you can see here the lowest bull score is 70. तो यानी बाइंग हो रहा है. So if I want to see even lower, then I increase to 500. Then I'll go to page number 1. Still, there are a lot of stocks here, and you can see that many stocks are having a strong bullish score. You can see here so many stocks are there, and then when you do a bull score here, you can see that many stocks are hitting 91. So many times क्या होता है कि आपको पता नहीं चलता है कि कितना कोई स्टॉक बढ़ गया है, कितना कोई स्टॉक घट गया है. तो यहाँ पर हम ले रहे हैं, तो बुल स्कोर हम ले रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर ये जो 91 वाले स्टॉक्स है, हमें उनमें ट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? सुपर. So now what we'll do is we will now make one approach for intraday. So what is our philosophy? पता है मुझे हमारा philosophy क्या है? What is our philosophy? Very good. Fantastic. ICE.